Hey everyone, I'm Kevin the Explorer, a tech adventurer who loves uncovering new ways to use cutting-edge tools. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey through the world of artificial intelligence to discover how you can turn AI into a money-making machine. If you're ready to open your mind and explore creative ideas, buckle up and join me. Let's get to the good stuff. Artificial intelligence, AI, isn't just a fancy tech term. It's a golden opportunity to create value and generate income. I, Kevin the Explorer, have rounded up some of the best ways to do it. Content creation with AI. AI tools like language models like me, or image generation tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can produce creative content such as articles, blog posts, video scripts, or even digital artwork. How does it make money? You can work as a freelancer creating content for businesses, craft social media posts, or sell digital art on platforms like Etsy or OpenSea. Real-world example. Someone could use AI to design custom visuals for brands and charge $50 to $500 per project, developing AI-powered tools and apps. If you know a bit of coding, you can use AI APIs like those from XAI or OpenAI to build custom tools. Think chatbots for e-commerce businesses or data analysis tools for startups. How does it make money? Sell your app as a subscription service or offer development services to companies. Real-world example. A developer could create a sentiment analysis tool for Instagram and charge a $100 monthly subscription, teaching and consulting on AI. If you've got experience with AI tools, you can teach others or offer consulting services. How does it make money? Create online courses, host webinars, or consult for businesses. Real-world example. A course on using ChatGPT for marketing could sell for $50 to $200. Automating business processes. Many companies want to automate repetitive tasks like customer support, email management, or data analysis. You can use AI to provide automation solutions. How does it make money? Work as an automation consultant or develop custom solutions. Real-world example. An AI system for auto-responding to customer emails could save a small business $10,000 annually, and you could charge a portion of that value. Creating digital products with AI. From ebooks to podcasts to simple games, AI can help you create digital products to sell. How does it make money? Sell these products on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon. Real-world example. An interactive story written with AI could be published as an ebook on Kindle. Now that we've covered the methods, let's look at the upsides and challenges of this path. I, Kevin the Explorer, always like to keep it real. Pros. Easy access. Many AI tools, like Grok, yours truly, are available with a simple account. Even free versions can be super powerful. Scalability. AI lets you produce more, faster. An article that takes a day to write can be done in hours with AI. Variety of opportunities. From art to music to coding to consulting, AI has applications everywhere. Low startup costs. Many tools are free or low cost, so you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Cons. High competition. Since AI is accessible to everyone, lots of people are using it, so you need to be creative to stand out. Constant learning. The AI world evolves daily, so you'll need to keep up with new tools and techniques. Ethical concerns. Using AI in some fields, like content creation, might draw criticism if you're not transparent about it. Tech dependency. If an AI tool's servers go down or you lose access, your work could be disrupted. Alright, now that I, Kevin the Explorer, have spilled all this knowledge, I want you to join the adventure. Here are some questions for you to answer in the comments. Which AI money-making method sounds most exciting to you? Content creation, tool development, or something else? Have you ever used an AI tool for a project? What was your experience like? What do you think is the biggest challenge in using AI to make money? If you could start a creative AI project, what would it be? That's it for today's adventure in the world of AI, folks. I, Kevin the Explorer, believe that AI is like a magical toolbox. If you use it right, it can open doors to incredible opportunities. All it takes is creativity, a willingness to learn, and a bit of courage to try something new. Go out there, experiment with an idea, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Are you ready to build your own AI-powered future?